Hi everyone, let us see how this one works, how our gas sensor works. So let us start the simulation. See here, just click here, the cloud will form, the smoke like thing will form. So it is detected by your gas sensor. Now you push this out, automatically your buzzer has stopped. So let us bring it nearby. See how the sensor starts working. When it is working, the buzzer is also making a sound, as well as the LED light is also blooming. So just to take it out, so your both buzzer and LED is switched off. So now let us see how to create this one. Let's go back. Let's go back and take a new one. Start tinkering. Let's create a new circuit. So what are all the things necessary for here? Your ARDUINO board, so bring that one. Then you need a breadboard, small breadboard, bring that one. Then you need LED light, you can keep it here, afterwards we can fix it in place. Next, what I need a buzzer. I need a buzzer. Okay, BU, is it B or something happens to that. So, because of buzzer here. Then what we need? We need the gas sensor. So let us bring our gas sensor here. So let us bring our gas sensor and place it like this. Okay, so the first step here is to power our breadboard. So breadboard has on both the sides we have to power it. So let us take from your ARDUINO, we have point. See this 5 voltage is there, no? From here only you are going to power the board for the positive one. For negative one, we have to connect it to the ground. We have two grounds here and one 5 volt here. So for 5 volt, let us choose the color as red. Now let's join. Okay, for 5 volt, click here, bring it down, then this side. So let us make it straight. Next, foreground, let us take black color. Oh, since it is already, it was selected, the color has changed. Change it back. Now click on this ground. Now come here, change the color to black. Click, bring it down like this. Connect this to any of your negative one. Just connect this. Okay, next you can do the same for your upper side. So connect from here, from negative you can connect to the negative on the top. Okay, so the same way from this positive you can connect to the positive here, but the color is black. Go and change the color so that the color will be changed to red. So now the power connection for your breadboard is finished. So you can use both bottom and top up for giving connections. Next, power our let us connect our what is this gas sensor. Okay, gas sensor, we have three pins which are down: B1, H1, H2 and B2, A1, H1 and A2. Thus the bottom thing should be connected to the positive. So let us connect everything to the positive. So from B1 means, see here, if anywhere this whole line, all the points are similar, you can take the connection from any point. The same here. See, if this for positive, all the line which is marked as green are positive. From anywhere you can take the positive line. For negative line, here, anywhere you can take and it will be negative. The same way, for here, all are vertical, all the lines are same. Here in this too, all the horizontal lines have the same value, whereas here the vertical lines will have the same value. See now, here this B1 is connected to the sixth one. So all this one, not on the top. See that A, B, C, D, E, it will have the same value. So what I am going to do is, I am going to click here on A6, okay, bring it down and connect to positive. And here, because H2 is in this line, from here you come and connect it here. Here H10 is here, from here you come and connect to this line. Like the same way, the pins which are on top, how to connect? So since these three are connected to positive, here what we are going to do is, we are going to connect all the above to, not all the above, two of them too should be grounded. So the center pin should be grounded, okay, and this pin, what we are going to do is, we are going to use a resistor to ground it. Okay, 1K resistor we are going to take. Something is there, so it is not selecting. So resistor, I am not finding any resistor. Okay, resistor is here, 1K resistor. Click and bring and connect from here to the negative. This pin, A1 pin should be connected to the A analog input. Any input, we have 5 analog input here: A0, O6, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. We have 6 analog inputs. In any one of this you can connect this input sensor. Our input is there na, that you can connect anywhere. For this, the color which we are going to give is green. Okay, for all other connection we will be using, for data connections you will be using green. Since in your project it is asked us to connect to A0, let us connect this to A0. Okay, so coming here, I am going to bring it on top here. It is up to you to make the connection. Anywhere you can make the connection, but I like in this way. Okay, so now it is connected. Okay, so now our sensor is connected, and okay, so now the sensor is connected. Let us check with coding whether the sensor is okay. Before going to that, let us connect our both LED light as well as your what is this output buzzer. Also let us connect. So here how we are going to connect is, these two are what? Output devices. So all the outputs can be connected to the digital pin from 1 to 13 in 2 to 13. You can connect to any pin. In your this buzzer is connected to pin 3. So let us connect buzzer to pin 3. So from here can go little up, come here, and let us go positive of your what is this buzzer. Positive of buzzer is connected to pin 3. Okay, let us connect here. Okay, so I have connected like this, and frankly speaking, this can be connected at the top itself, here itself. Both are correct, but we can pin like this, it's not an issue. So from here, I don't feel it is in the correct line. Yes, so it's fine now. After this, you can ground this one. Okay, before grounding, let us connect the cathode. Let us connect the cathode to cathode to ground and anode to, this is anode, this is cathode. Let us connect the anode to, I think so 2 we can connect. This is connected to 3, you know. Now let us connect this to D2. Let us bring it down and connect to D2. Okay, it is connected to D2, and we have to ground the, change the color to black, ground, oh my god, it is moving along with this. Ground your cathode as well as here. The negative is connected to negative. Okay, with this all our connection is over. So let us go and write the code for Android. Okay, code, click blocks, make it as text. It will ask, are you sure you want to close the block editor? Say continue. So your code will appear. Here what are all the things we have to do? The first thing what we are going to do is, we are going to set, we are having a gas sensor. So for gas sensor I am going to create a variable. So int, let us say it is gas. Gas is connected to where? A0. Okay, next, what is the another thing we used? Int buzzer. Buzzer we used, is it ER buzzer. Where is the buzzer is connected to pin? See here, where is the buzzer? Where is connected? Buzzer is connected to pin 3, and your LED is connected to pin 2. Okay, so let us continue with the code. So buzzer is connected to pin 3 and int LED is connected to pin 2. Okay, so now our initialization is over. In void setup, what we have to say is, what are all the inputs and what are all the outputs we have. So this is optional, okay, but I just prefer to write. Okay, this is what it was before, just leave that one. Pin mode, which pin are output and which pin are input here. Pin only A0, that is gas is input, whereas the other two are output. So we have gas as input, and you can copy the statement, Control C and Control V, Control V. Gas is input, it is given as output. Gas is input, whereas buzzer and L input, whereas I have an issue with the keyboard. Buzzer, BUZZER. BUZZER. Buzzer is output, and one more. What is output? We have LED is output. LED is output. Instead of gas, buzzer and LED, you can give A0, 3 and 2 also. It's also correct. You can use both the thing. So the next what we are going to do is serial dot begin. That RIAL, serial dot BEGIN. It will start. So at what number? 9600. Okay, that we have to give. Next, in while loop, what and all we are going to do is, it is delete all these things, otherwise you will get confused. Let me write one by one. Okay. So what is the first thing we are going to do is, we are going to have gas analog read of A0. Here we cannot assign like this, I think so. Let us wait and check, but let us give here as gas is equal to analog read, ANALOG READ, analog read of A0, analog read of A0. Next, serial dot print, serial dot print of what I am going to say is gas level. So if I say gas is equal to analog read of, means we are reading the input, whatever this sensor is giving, we are reading the value and we are storing it in gas. Okay, so now what I am going to say is, we have read the level, no, let us display the level. Gas level is, what is the level? Let us display here. Okay, semicolon, serial dot PRINTLN. Okay, gas. So now it displays the value, that is how much of gas level is there, leak is there, it will display. Okay, once it is displayed, what will happen? Okay, let us try this one. Okay, let us stimulate this one and let us see the value. Stimulate. Okay, let us click this one. We have to click this sensor. Okay, see the cloud formation like thing comes. So this is this gas leak. If you bring it here, let us see the monitor value. See, the value is 159, like that it is going. But actually it is very fast, since everything is going vertically and the number is same, you can able to read. But if you just mix, it is very fast, means If you just move like this means you can see how much fast the numbers are changing. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a little delay here. So what I'm going to do is write delay of just 1 second delay I am making. Okay. Next, now I'm going to set the condition for which level. Well, if which level it comes, alarm has to be set. That means your buzzer has to buzz as well as your LED has to switch on. So if the value of gas, okay, is here, they have given the condition is greater than or equal to 150. If gas, this value is greater than or equal to 150, what I am going to do is I am going to make the buzzer as well as the LED to lit. So what I am going to do is digital dot digital write, digital WRITE, digital write of buzzer, is it ER, comma, high, capital letters for high. The same way, okay, shift home, control C, control V. Not only buzzer, I want LED also high, LED high. So now both will be high. Is it clear? And we can write serial dot print ln, what I can write, smoke or gas leak, smoke or gas leak. Okay. So once the gas value is more than 150, you can write gas or smoke leak, digital buzzer as well as your LED, you make it high. Okay. So otherwise what will happen? Else, I have no idea why the cursor is going and stopping there. Else, the same three statements you copy. Here we said everything is high. Next we will say control C, control V, no smoke or gas leak. This high you can delete and write it as low. Okay, make the high as low. That's all. So here we have written println, so no issue. Come down, click backspace and close. And come down, but you are not having the final statement. Put an ending closing bracket for the void loop. Okay, now start the stimulation. Okay, whether yes, I was thinking of this. I have two mistake because here print L and terminating, missing termination. Okay, leak. Here is not there, and here also it is not there. Okay, so now let us start the running. See, again it is saying LED comma low. Sorry, it seems your code has some errors. What LED comma? Okay, LOW is small letter I have written. Low. Let us start again. Where? Okay, one more extra it is here. It went down. Okay, let us start again. Yes, see, now you can see the serial monitor also here. Click this one. Let us see, now the gas level is 141. So let us bring it little closer, 155. See what happens. We are hearing the sound as well as the light. So here it is displaying smoke or gas leak. When you just pull it up, what happens, you see when it reaches 150 itself, immediately the gas leak, the sound is stopped and no gas leak, gas or smoke leak came. Okay, let us close the code and see the illumination of the LED also. See, the LED is also burning as well as the sound is also coming from here. If you take it off away from the sensor, both are switched off. With this project is over. Bye.